If someone had told me a few years ago that I would be building a career in fashion and confidence and helping people transform their lives, I wouldn't have believed them. Hi, I'm Mana. I'm an internationally certified fashion stylist and image consultant, and this is how my journey began. So, I've always believed that clothes are much more than just fabrics, they tell story, they communicate before we even speak. But my professional journey started with learning the craft from the ground up. So I pursued my bachelor's degree from Lady Irwin College and followed by my master's degree in fashion styling and image design from Pearl Academy. During that time, I also got trained internationally and earned certifications in image consulting and color analysis because I wanted to understand not just fashion but the psychology behind confidence, personal branding, and first impressions. So, like every beginner, I didn't start with glamorous celebrity shoots. I started as an assistant stylist or an intern. I used to carry garment bags, steaming clothes, managing lookbooks, sourcing outfits, and learning how styling really works behind the scenes. So those experiences taught me discipline, problem solving, and the importance of every tiny details. So back in 2019, I officially stepped in the industry as a stylist, and over the years, I had the opportunity to work with great production houses, advertising campaigns, celebrities, influencers, and renowned brands across media and entertainment. You'll say like MG Motors, Suzuki, Philips, Netflix, Hotstar, Jimmy Cocktails, and many more. So every project pushed me to become a better stylist and a better creative professional. But somewhere along, the journey, I realized something that the biggest transformation wasn't happening on the photo shoot set, and it was happening when someone looked into the mirror and finally felt confidence. That's when I fell in love with image consultancy. I discovered that styling isn't about buying expensive clothes or you just blindly following the trends. It's also about understanding your body, your colors, your personality, your lifestyle, and creating an image that genuinely represents who you are. And that realization inspired me to start School of Styling and Image Consultancy. My vision was very simple. I wanted to create a platform where aspiring stylists could learn the industry the right way and where individuals could transform not just their wardrobes but their confidence as well. And today, through our certification programs, personal styling services, and color analysis, maternity styling, bridal styling, and image consulting, we continue to help people discover the power of intentional style. And this is what this YouTube channel is. It's an extension of that mission. So here I'm going to share everything I've learned over the years, from styling techniques and color analysis to wardrobe planning, body shapes, bridal styling, maternity styling, fashion and image consulting, and real client experiences. Whether you're here for whatever reason, it is because your dream of becoming a stylist is still here. Or simply, I would say that you would like to dress more confidently. So you are in the right place. Thank you for being here and becoming the part of my journey. Let's transform, let's grow one outfit at a time. I'll see you in my next video with much more detailed version.